flank, knock your troops, make sure you're not laying in the prone as the vehicles come up the yellow way. There's coming. That's up down there. What's 45.
We leave at 45. You don't load it all the time.
The dock has it. Alright, let's go.
Hey, push all the way down.
Disregard 1-6.
Go.
I'm still in it.
Yep. Friendly's coming out! Friendly's coming out!
Coming out.
Say the word 3 times, so if it's going to be
And Aberdeen specifically is waiting for cards to pop.
target!
Hang it! Fire! Those three!
Hang it!
Hang it!
Fire!
The significance of this exercise is that it's demonstrating United States resolve to NATO and the future of NATO force posture in Europe. So about a year ago, last summer in Madrid, NATO leaders got together and they decided that we were going to expand the NATO battle groups. At the time there were 4 and there were 4 more standing up. They decided they were going to expand those battle groups to brigade-sized elements from battalions. This is part of an effort to demonstrate proof of concept for how we can do that. Initial proof of concept is going to be to do that on a rotational or temporary basis, and then eventually they want to expand them to brigade size permanently.
So we are currently now in the Małopolski, Poland, and we are exercising the Griffin shock exercise, where the U.S. secondary cavalry is attached under the HQ MND Northeast, the headquarters National Division Northeast. You know, we are first time we are interacting with the U.S. brigade-sized unit. So this is the first one. Another significant thing is that we have embedded U.S. personnel into our HQ, where they are coaching, mentoring, and teaching us how to provide the divisional deep fire. And this is a really unique and for the first time it happens in our HQ history, in fact. Because our neighborhood is not as safe due to the obvious reasons and due to those unpredicted neighbors. So that's why the expansion of the EFP battle groups and this such similar kind of exercise shows our willingness to the society, or not even the willingness, our commitment to the society, because the society is investing